Hey guys, welcome back to Kamara Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for coming back. So for the Dollar fans out there, thank you guys so much for introducing me to this group. I really do like this group. The Impican, oh my god, watch me, love it. And then few people actually, who recommend me to react to their novel songs called Dollar Make You Wanna. So I'm curious to see what they're gonna be giving us. I am so curious. I'm happy though. Like I said over and over, I know most people get offended by what I'm saying, but you know, the K-pop is in everything right now, especially here in the US. And to see P-pop basically coming to compete with them is very good. I like that. I like that. Ruffle the feathers in the industry. Love it. Oh, she can walk. Gorgeous. Yes. Yes. Oh, like the pink. Ooh. You can. Oh, they're not scared at all to try new things. Let's go back. Back.
Kalau suka jangan hanya lihat saja. Kalau malu-malu pasti tak kemana. Rasakan irama yang mempersona, yang menggoda. I got something for ya. Mari berdansa.
Come on with the vocals.
Lupakan masa. Jangan kisah kata-kata mereka. Kan dah dengar kabar kata semua kenal nama tapi tak tahu. Jangan salah sangka hidup bukan dalam filem. Gayaku berangkat dalam make you wanna. Gayaku berangkat dalam make you wanna.
Clearly, I know this group was formed about like 2 years ago. You know, you could tell they're a new group, but they're doing such a good job. Okay. Dala. Oh, I love that black. Come on, I love that trench coat looking thing. Okay, Dollar Make You Wanna. Okay. That was cute. Oh, that was so cute. But I don't think, but the Impican video, Watch Me video, beats this, tops it. Oh, it was so cute. It was so cute. Like I said, I did my research. I found out this group was created around like 2018, 2019, if I could remember correctly. And, you know, you could tell they're a very new group. They're a very new group, you know. They're trying to satisfy the record label. But this is really good. I would say it over and over when I listen, like K-pop is taking over, then you have the group SB19, which is up there competing with the K-pop boys, and then now you have the Malaysian pop and pop competing. You know, this is very good. I like that ruffling the feathers in the music industry. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Come through, stomp through. I love it. I love it. But I'm gonna give them the next 3 years, if they're able to keep the same consistent energy for the next 3 years or so, this group would be a group to look out for. I really do think so. I need to see if this is their first album. This is their first album, or they're just be releasing an EP. But I need to do my own research, see what they can give us that separates themselves from the K-pop girls. But so far, this is the only group that I know of coming out of Malaysia pop and pop. I really don't know any other M-pop stars. Feel free to leave a link below in comment section to whatever you guys want to react to. But I've never went out my way to look for M-pop. Someone brought this to me, so I prefer to have my viewers, the ones who watch, like, comment, and share, to tell me who to react to, because I don't want to go out my way and pick someone and I don't like that person and I don't upload the video. So I prefer my viewers to send me what they want me to react to. It's mutual benefit for both of us. But please leave a link below. Whatever you want me to react to, I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, I'll say this over and over and over and over. Who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.